Alright. Hello everyone, this is William speaking, and today we're going to be playing Thomas's Railway Showdown. Now this is an FNF mod. So like some people on Twitter have announced an FNF mod, Thomas's Railway Showdown. Yeah, I am very late to the party. Yeah, whatever. So, let's get started, I guess. Story mode, pick a story, credits, report options. I love this icon, I like this logo, by the way. So, we're gonna go story mode, obviously. Okay, so, modern or classic version. Voidless Endeavors. Score, so let's go. So this week we have number 1, Ghost Train and Lost Whistle. So, alright, so we're gonna do week 1 this video, and we'll do week 2 another video, and then if we have time, we might do like the free play ones, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, let's start. We're going modern. The Brit Allcroft logo.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh. Meh. I'm enjoying this so far. I don't know the origins of Boy Thomas, but I do know I do know like it came from a Corey extension thumbnail. That's all I know so far. I shouldn't be talking. I'm getting distracted. Bro, I love how they try to redraw the face. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm dying. Let's go! I got bruh for the win. Alright, hello, what's the next song? Just takes a while to load. I'm on a laptop, okay? It takes a while for stuff to load.
3, 2, 1,
Timothy!
go!
Why does he have a flat running board? Oh, fuck. the developer, but I don't know. He looks more like a Jinji. Bruh. I'm trying, okay? Ah, Rick, I'm missing everything. I missed like 22 times, 21 times, and fuck. I can't speak at all. Ah, dang it. Oh wait. It's the runaway theme. I'm guessing some of you cannot tell because I'm messing it up. Crazy, bro. Oh my god, this is intense. Alright, I missed 65 times. I already forgot how many times I missed the first one. Where are we at? Wait. Hold on. Lost whistle. Oh, it's Slender Engine. Great. Hey. Ah, fuck. Oh jeez, I missed. Yeah, your boy is not this good. Your boy is not that good at FNF mods, alright? Or FNF in general. Ah, fuck. This is definitely unique from any of the FNF mods that I've seen. Like, for once we get like a POV shot of, or a POV camera from like the boyfriend. I think that's his name. Ah. Damn. Let's go! And I missed 48 times.